Hello friends, welcome to our computer programming channel. Today we are going to work on JDK, Java Development Kit. Actually, when you are going to execute Java program on your machine, on computer, the first thing is that we need the JDK to be installed on our machine, and at the same time GRA, Java Runtime Environment. Today we are going to how to download JDK and how to install JDK and how to configure JDK on our system and machine. At the same time we download Java Runtime Environment and installing GRE. Now let's go to Google to download. Here when we come to Google we said download JDK 16 here. We click here, or I call it the first one. We click here. It takes us to this page, SS16 archive. We come here to Java SE Development Kit 16. As you see here, Linux and different operating systems. We come here to this is exe and this is zip one. I prefer to download the exe file. You can click on this. Please click on this one. When you click on this, and the download will start, because I cancelled the download. I have already downloaded on my machine and there is no need to download it again. When you download it, please go to another page and go to Google here and write GRE download for Windows 10 64-bit. Click here and you come here to this one. Java download for all operating systems from java.com. You come here. When you come here, this page will appear to us. Please come here down. Here is three parts. When the last one is Windows Offline 64-bit, it is around 81.08 MB. You may click on this. Please click and download will start, like as I click here. Because I have already downloaded, I will go to download and cancel this one. When you downloaded these issues, please come to here. Before installing this, one thing I would like to come here, we go to CMD. Here when we say Java C, which is compiler for Java, when we click here, you see here it says that Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or like these issues. We can go here, then we start here JDK 16 as we downloaded. We click on here. We come here, as you see here, we click next, then here also we click next here. You see here it is installed successfully. We close it here. Also we come back here. We click on GRE. When you download it, you click please on GRE. You see you said that here install it. You install on this and this pop-up will appear. And please wait until the end. After this finishes, because I have already downloaded this one and I will cancel it too. Now we have installed both GDK and GRE. We go to to go to my computer, and we see here that we go to drive C here. We come here to program files. Now we find here Java. Inside Java there is JDK 16, and after, as you see here, we downloaded and we installed JDK. At the same time we downloaded GRE and installed them. Now we are going to configure JDK on our machine. In this case we need here, we come here to this PC, to drive C and to program files, and we come to Java. Sometimes Java is installed here on program files. Here when you search you don't find Java, please go back and program files, and you click here on Java JDK. The next thing we click on Ben, as you see here. JDK, double click Ben. Then you see here you will find Java compiler, and you see Java CS, Java compiler, and this is the interpreter, java.exe is interpreter, and Java CS, Java compiler. Then we copy this place, Control C. When you copy the Ben address, we go to control panel. We here control panel. When we go to control panel, we go to system and security. Here we go to system. Here we go to advanced system settings. Here we see that environment variables. Now you see here, this is user variables. It means that this is for the current administrator or for the current user of this computer. As you know, we can have more than one administrator or users on the computer. In this case, we are going to configure our address of the Ben here or Java to here system variables, because the other users can use from Java too. Here we come here and say new. We write here path. To the bottom field we copy and paste here as we copied before, program file Java JDK 16 like this Ben. We click OK, and we click OK at the same time. Then we click OK. As you install here, let's go back to our CMD. We check is it installed or not. One thing is that we can set Java space dash version. We click. You see here Java is now installed, Java version 16 at this time installed, and we can say Java C, the compiler, press enter. You can see all of them. It means that Java is installed on our machine. If you have any problems, please give us comments, and I will share more issues with you. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel, and I will try to have more videos from the beginning to the medium and to advanced level about Java programming. Thank you. Bye for now.